God, that's so beautiful. Oh my God. I love it. God, they're so beautiful.
Are they ever gonna come down?
Right once you move. God, they're so pretty. I would love to have like 12 of them in a cage, a big cage, and let them fly around the house. Scooter! So maybe if you came in the yard, they'd probably go down.
Maybe.
I love their sounds. Scooter! God! Let's not freaking throw a brick at her. Just squirt her with the hose and make her turn into a piece of ice. That way she can't move. Nah. Oh, look at the little birds. Oh, here they go. Oh my God. Right next to the neighbor's truck. He's gonna think we did it on purpose. Oh, look! Oh my God. I love it.
See, look, these little birds.
Oh my God. Ouch. Oh. Here, can you hold this? My hand's going numb.
I told you to come right up.
Oh God, they're so beautiful. Look at that.
I wish I could get them to come over and watch. They'll all swarm over there.
Oh. Oh my God. That guy is gonna flip shit. Oh God, you throw it near the Mexicans, they're gonna like eat them. I have to count all the seagulls. God, I wish Deanna and Adrian could see this. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so freaking gorgeous. Wow. See, now if I would have had them at my wedding, I would have loved it.
Such a simple bird, too. Seagulls.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh. It's like little angels with wings and a beak. I mean, a tail and a beak.
Oh God, don't come in here.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
I want those are crackers.
Birds. It's cool we share the same interest. Oh my God, my hands are so cold. But they are like too beautiful to put the phone down.